Smoking is bad. But today, we're going to play with fire and we're going to make this thing smoke. We're also going to try to cut a contour into this body using nothing but a Shinto saw and Nerd Rage. Let's begin. First things first. Let's look at this thing. So, with our wonderful writing tool we have right here, we are going to draw a little bit on the body. And what this is going to do is serve as a little bit of a guide to the material that we're going to be removing from the body using my favorite $20 tool off of Amazon. As you can see here, we have fine grit and we also have let's destroy shit grit. Now for this, we're going to start with let's destroy shit. And this has got some teeth. And the key is to not put pressure down. Let it do all the work. You can see here, this is different colored than the rest of this because they put some type of weird ass sealer on here. Son of a bitch! I chewed this fucking body up right here. Look at this shit. That is not me. Bunch of cock knockers. You see how I'm just neatening up these lines right here? Try to give this a more gradual fade. That's what separates the boys from the men. Woo! I like that. You can see here we chewed up right here a little bit. So we're gonna grab a file. And we're going to just smooth out this shit right here. You see, I don't really like how this transition happened right here. I think I'm just going to try to level this out. Look at that. I think I want to do a little bit more Shinto work on that because that's going to be just a little bit deeper, I think. Oh boy, getting just a little too carried away here, I think. Okay, it's looking good. Now, this is going to provide just a little bit of relief to the player when this is resting up against their body. And that's why I like doing these things. Nice, you know? Makes it feel better. Like not a $150 El Cheapo Guitarre. And we'll get those lines out in a second. I just want to give this part a little extra treatment. Let's see if we can get this up here. This one a little bit of awesome. See, now we're shooting from the hip a little bit, and that's where things get dangerous. Because now we're not following a plan. But the good news is, I make this awesome. Now, I think it's time to bring out the electric sander. We're going to start going through and removing this top coat bullshit. Because we are not cucks. And we believe that all good guitars deserve fudge. So, let's get out the old sander. We're going to start out at, what do we got here for grain? We need something aggressive. Some ripping shit. Alright, well it looks like we're going to be going full ham with 110. Not exactly my first choice. We're going to be here for a while. And it's very important that we clean as we go. Mineral spirits. And this should help break down whatever finish we're working with here. Well, hot damn. Give her a good old wipe down. Looking good. Still got some bullshit on here. Let's keep going. Actually, real quick, I just want to kind of go through and just tidy up these a little bit because they're not exactly even. The good stuff. All right. Let's see if we can get rid of some of this finish the old-fashioned way. Now we wait for it to cool down. Wow! Barbecued. And I'm going to give it just a little bit more torture. Alright folks, I think that's about all the time we have for now.